Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to create Steam account on mobile. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step that we have to do is to open any web browser on our device. I'm on my iPhone, so I'm going to open Safari. Now in the search bar, you simply need to type Steam. The next step is to open the official Steam website in order to create our account. Now when you open the official Steam website, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left side of the screen. A side menu will show up, so just tap on Login. Then click on Join Steam. It will take us to this page where we will be able to create our Steam account. So you need to enter your email address that you want to use for Steam and enter your email 2 times. They will automatically enter your country. Now you need to confirm that you are not a robot by clicking here and confirm that you are at least 13 years of age or older. Now let's continue with the next step. They will send you an email to the address you entered. So open your Mail app now, verify your Steam account. Click on Verify My Email Address, and then let's get back to our web browser to finish creating our account. Now you want to enter your Steam account name that you want to use and choose a password for your account. When you do these steps, click on Done. We've successfully created our Steam account on mobile. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.